This was January 2nd. I had bought my girlfriend a bird feeder camera and we hooked it up and we get 20-second clips of birds when they come to visit the bird feeder. And what I've done is I've taken those clips and compiled them into a short video for your pleasurable viewing. This is my first attempt to voice. Ooh, did you see that? Look at this cardinal just came in. Oh, but he's not giving up. He's gonna move in next to the cardinal. And they can both get snapped. I don't know about you guys, but I used to live in the St. Louis area, and everyone there is a Cardinals fan, so I do love the Cardinals. They come visit the yard. But I love all the birds. They're all great. So I like that it tells what time of the day it was and what day it was here in the video. As you can see, that was July 1st of 2025, July 3rd, sorry, of 2025, approximately 10:49. That'd be AM. And so Sparrow's getting down. He's getting some seeds. He's loving it. Now, I don't know about you all, but I had a pretty good holiday. And we've been having a great time watching these little clips that this bird feeder camera manages to capture of the birds eating. And I'll tell you what, it's just been a great joy. Before we got the bird feeder camera, we didn't realize we had so many different types of birds coming to visit it. We knew we had some sparrows and we had some juncos and we'd seen some cardinals, but we had no idea we had so many different types of birds visiting and how different they all look. Even within the same species, they're so unique, each one. Okay, this looks like about noon on January the 2nd, Providence, Texas. And if I remember right, it was a pretty nice day. See the sky in the background, it's nice and blue. Girlfriend, she really enjoys seeing the birds get the crumbs on their beak. She loves it. And I do too. I think it's silly. They get the food hanging off their mouth. Little messy eaters. I was never really a bird watcher per se, but I've always been a backyard backyard naturalist. I've always enjoyed digging in dirt, planting plants. I've always enjoyed having pets, cats, dogs, insects, reptiles, fish, amphibians. I find mycology super interesting, mushrooms. I love art. And so this is like my first attempt at making a video that has music to the background and a voiceover made on, I think it's like iMovie on my iPhone. I don't have a lot of equipment right now to do this any other way. So this is just trying to start. But I expect that these videos will only get better and we'll only get more and more interesting visitors come visit our bird feeder. Now, it looks like the sun is going